Yeah, so a process dust collector, a process baghouse usually means that it's part of the process. So rather than just collecting dust that you want out of the building, out of the, out of the way, it's collecting something that's going to be either recirculated back into your process or used in your process. So, for example, we recently looked at a copper plant where the material that's being collected by the dust collector is valuable, process output. It's being processed through the dust collector and recaptured. And it might be collected in bags or it might be conveyed back into a silo or something like that. But it's not just nuisance dust that you just want to get rid of. Oftentimes we'll see, it might be a silo bin vent or something like that, where you're not trying to just get rid of the dust, you're, putting it back into the system. Sometimes you might see a process where there's an actual chemical process that's being done inside of the baghouse, and what's discharged out of the baghouse is part of the product and process. Whereas, if you're just talking about dust that's coming off of your conveyor belts, your elevators and so forth that you want out of the facility, with your pickup points, moving it out to a bag house to be disposed of, that would be more of a nuisance bag house versus process bag house.